You don't have to use a computer or a mobile device alone to make this strategy work. However, if you employ the technique I'm about to outline, it might end up being largely automated and one of the quickest and easiest ways to get passive income online. Everyone can access it for free. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel. I'll lead you through each step in this video. I want you to first go to Google and enter Unbounce in the box above the search bar. Scrolling down below will take you to unbounce.com, which is the official website. This link will take you to the official Unbounce website. The website we'll use to make money online is this one. I'd like to show you something incredible. I'll show you how to rapidly and simply multiply your revenue by 10 without exerting any effort on your side if you continue to watch. Let me give you an example of how Unbounce works. With the help of the application Unbounce, users can build several websites and landing pages. Here are a few examples of the website designs that Unbounce can create. As you can see, there are numerous websites or sections on this page that will offer you a wide range of samples. You can create a landing page and website like this with Unbounce. You can make a website without any prior experience or technological expertise. I merely want to show you the Unbounce software's potential and how it may help others create equally stunning and amazing websites. I'll explain how it operates, after which I'll show you a few ways to profit from the Unbounce Partner Program. Scroll down to the bottom of their homepage and click the Partner Program link in the Companies section. You can continue to make money each month no matter how much time has passed, whether it's 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even years. The total for all of Unbounce price options will now be displayed. Once more, employing this strategy is totally free. Unbounce is not even required. However, the strategy includes giving people the option to refer others and promote Unbounce. Some clients will select the annual plan, which requires purchasing the package for a full year if you advertise these bundles. Simply by promoting and referring Unbounce to others using a very simple, cost-free, and automatic strategy, you may make a lot of money. To sign up for a free account with the Unbounce Partner Program, simply click this blue button. You'll see a chatbot at the bottom, and before you can fully sign up for a free account, you'll need to respond to a few questions. To create an account, all you need to do is click this link, which will take you to the dashboard. Clicking on that link will bring you to this page, where you must type in your email address and hit the Continue button. Before continuing, you must set up a password for your account. When finished, click Sign Me In to access the dashboard of your freshly established account. You cannot get your exclusive referral link until you have accepted the terms of service. You will read it by clicking this button, checking the box to show that you agree, and then clicking the Confirm button. This is a free method to sign up for the Unbounce Partner Program. On the summary page, you can see your most recent revenue, the amount of referrals you've received, and click-through rates. Since this is a fresh account, no US dollars are now discernible. However, this approach will quickly cause it to start receiving significant commissions. You only need to click the links and dismiss buttons twice. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel.